high-low method with an index. In the management accounting paper, questions like that will be there. I never tire of being correct. Right, I want you to look at this question whereby you will be asked to calculate the variable cost per unit. Then they will say using the current price index. And you're answering this question in the exam, there will be multiple choice. Variable cost per unit is equals to, is obviously you all know the high-low method where we compare the highest units versus the lowest units, and that will be your denominator. Looking at this, these are the years, these are the units. So the highest units here is 40 and 10. So this will be 40 minus 10. Then you want to take the cost here, the cost for 40 and the cost for $10. But they are indexed here. Let's read the question again. Calculate the variable cost per unit using the current price index. So the current price, let's look at the years. This is 2022 up to 2025. So that means 2025 is our current year. 2025 is our current year here, which means 130 is our current index. So that means looking at this is all I need. This is our information. This is our information, because I've said high-low method, we say highest versus the lowest. Highest units versus the lowest units. So when we are looking at the cost, so our cost here is $360, and already this cost is for 2025, and which means it is already the current index. So there is no need to adjust the $360. But when you say less here, we are comparing with what? What is the value for the 10 units? $100. But if you look at $100 here, the index in 2022 for $100 it was 90, and the question said use the current index. So this cost is an index of 90, but the index now we have changed. Now the current index is now 130. But when we are looking at the index, I want you to understand this. When we are talking about the retail price index, if the index is higher, it means the prices have increased. We look at the inflation. So if the index is higher, the price will be what? Will be increasing. So looking at our question, in 2022, the index was 90. But right now in 2025, the index is now 130, which means the price have increased. So if they say use the current price index, we're using an assumption that in the year 2022, yes, we are seeing that the index was 90, but we need to understand something, that if the index was 130 in 2022, what was going to be the price? The price was not going to be 100, but it was going to be more than that. So now, how do you do it? So you can apply your simple mathematics here. We say $100, the index was 90. How about if the index was 130 in that year, the answer was going to be more, and you use the proportion, you do the number crunching exercise. Guys, this is primary school stuff. You do your mathematics, you apply pure common sense here, or an easy way of doing it here, I'll simply say 100 multiplied by. So we are comparing the index of 90 and 130. For my answer to be more, I'll say the index of what? 130 over the index of 90. This will be like, it will be like this. Then you solve your question and you calculate your variable cost per unit. This is it, guys. That's the high-low method with an index.